All right, Dirt Dauber crew, we're starting to get this garage set up. Still got one more block sand to do, and then I'll pull it off the body and put it on its side and paint the bottom. But let me show you what we've done so far. We moved the 40 in here, and like I said, I put another good heavy coat of primer on it after I block sanded it once. Now I'm block sanded again. And the light's pretty good in here. You may want to get an extra light just in case, especially like over on this back side. But we taped up the back wall with some plastic so that the bike's sporting equipment all doesn't get too dusty. I'm sure I'm gonna have to clean this place out really well when we're done. But it's starting to rain a little bit outside, and it's supposed to rain for the next couple days. So we went ahead and moved it in here. And we're getting close. Probably today or tomorrow, I'll go get the paint, get it mixed up, and hopefully be shooting this thing. Today is Tuesday. It's supposed to be sunny and dry on Friday, so we'll shoot for spraying this thing on Friday. Okay, here we are, day 2. We painted this bottom last night and let it dry overnight. Looks pretty good. There's a few spots where there's some runs. I got in a hurry and I learned a little bit. This was my first time. But for the most part, I'm very pleased with how it looks. I like the color. It's spot on from what I think the factory color is. And it dried nice. There's a little bit of orange peel. I'm not gonna worry about the bottom though. Trying to sand out this orange peel or anything. I probably will on the top, do a wet sand once we're done and get it nice and smooth. But overall, I'm very pleased, very happy with how it turned out. I don't know if I showed you our setup, but there's the vents in the windows that we taped in. And you got the box fan, and honestly, that one box fan is not really moving enough air through here. By the time you get done painting, luckily we're only painting, I'm here for about 10 minutes with my respirator on. But by the time I get done doing one coat, this room is full of fumes. We go out 10-15 minutes, the fan evacuates and gets most of that out, then I can come out and do a second coat. But If I was painting in here for an hour or so, I had a bunch of parts, we'd have to get 2 fans, come up with something else, because it really doesn't move enough air. But for the most part, this is working pretty good. Hope to get this bottom taped off. Gonna put it up on some sawhorses, do a last little touch up with some sanding, make sure everything's good to go, and then we're gonna start seal. Hour later, color. Hour later, probably 3 coats of clear. It's only gonna be about 60 today, so I'm giving about an hour in between the sealer, the color, and the clear, just to make sure that it's dry enough to put the next coat on. But like I said, overall, I'm pretty happy.